found a dinosaur egg on the beach.
At the time, none of it made sense.
But I didn't. I brought it home. If this thing was staying, he was going to have a proper home. That probably should have been my first real warning. Because by then, I wasn't just raising him anymore, I was attacking.
Because a few days later, this is what it led to. At the time, none of it made sense.
Something strange had been happening near our town.
At first it was just warnings.
This is a breaking emergency alert. New offshore sightings have prompted immediate coastal warnings.
Then military patrols started showing up.
Fish started washing up along the shoreline.
And nobody knew why.
And then I saw it. So I did what any rational person would do. I offered him my finger first.
I had no idea what I was looking at.
It just shouldn't have been there. It wasn't broken. It wasn't moving.
And that should have been the moment I walked away.
Called someone, reported it, anything responsible.
But I didn't. I brought it home. Now, I used to have a pet iguana.
Which, looking back, was definitely not the same thing.
But at the time, I figured if this thing was alive, maybe I could help it.
So I did everything I could think of. Heat, shelter, protection. Then I waited. Days went by, and nothing happened.
Eventually, I just kind of stopped checking.
Until one night I heard something.
And suddenly, that impossible thing I found on the beach wasn't just an egg anymore. It hatched.
The next morning, I woke up and thought I had dreamed the whole thing.
But then I saw what was left of the egg.
And realized whatever hatched was alive in my house.
He was way smaller than I expected. I mean, for something that came out of a dinosaur egg, he honestly just looked kind of curious.
Still, I wasn't about to assume tiny meant harmless. So I did what any rational person would do. I offered him my finger first.
And instead of biting it off, he just kind of nibbled.
Because somehow, this prehistoric little psychopath trusted me.
And once that happened, I realized I had a much bigger problem.
So for the next few hours, my search history got really weird.
I ordered basically everything I thought might help.
If this thing was staying, he was going to have a proper home.
Over the next few weeks, things started changing.
The more time I spent with him, the more I started figuring him out.
Like the fact that he was ridiculously picky about food.
absolutely obsessed with water.
And followed me everywhere.
At that point, I should have been more concerned.
It mostly just felt like having a puppy. A dinosaur puppy.
Which, now that I'm saying it out loud, was definitely insane.
I even gave him a name, Spike. And once he actually started responding to it,
That probably should have been my first real warning. Because by then, I wasn't just raising him anymore, I was attached.